Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to unlock sections in your Microsoft Word. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and type Word and right click it and go to open file location, and after that you can see this option, then right click it again and select open file location again, and here on top of the address bar go to Microsoft Office. Go to Microsoft Office, you can see this option, and then go Office 16 or 20, the office that you are currently using. And to solve this issue, all you have to do is find this one, OSPRM, this option, and right click it and select this option, right click it and select run as administrator, select one and click yes. And after that, do it again, do it 3 times, click yes and do it again, run as administrator and select yes. And in this way you can easily solve the issue. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.